Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. New subscribers, welcome. Conductor gets corn on halfway tree road. I wonder who he pissed off. Before we go any further, leave a like so YouTube can know you want this channel to stay up. Conductor attacked and corned on halfway tree road by 3 criminals who made their escape in a pro-box vehicle. While processing the crime scene, GCF police got leads from eyewitnesses where vehicle was located. The pro-box was spotted in Stony Hill, St. Andrew. Further investigations are being done. The conductor is hospitalized and under observation. And in further news, Health Minister wants the Jamaican population to be fruitful and multiply. According to Christopher Tufton, the birth rate of Jamaican babies is low, and he encourages women to have children. Talk about controlling what your population does. I guess Jamaicans are more extinct and rare than we think. I guess in the near future there won't be any Jamaicans. Let's hear what Jamaicans have to say about this.
I'm going to show you guys the article. Tell me how many of you saw this. So apparently Tufton has expressed great concerns about Jamaicans not having enough children. So the politicians have created an economy that has led to this problem, and then you express concerns. Have you guys seen it? Did anybody watch the full video with Tufton talking about it? Drop it in the comment section. Wanna really think about what go on. Let's talk about this, guys. Let's talk about it.
Yeah man, big facts man attack still, but there's a but at the end of the day, cause right now me have one. Did want 8, but due to the current situation of the country and its economic, no better. Yeah, hold back and pack it up and bury it.
Well, what do you think? Should Jamaicans have more kids with insufficient jobs, more brain drain, and the crime rate increase? Let me know what you think in the comments. Until the next episode, take care.